Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Have you ever wondered how an AI robot is created? This fascinating journey begins with defining the purpose and technical requirements of the robot. From there, we select the right hardware components and design the mechanical structure. Next, the electronics and wiring are implemented, followed by the development of software and integration of AI capabilities. And of course, there's testing, debugging, and continuous improvement. So, how does this interesting process unfold? Let's dive in. First, it's important to define the purpose and requirements of your AI robot. What tasks do you want it to perform? Perhaps it's a companion bot or an autonomous cleaning machine. Jot down the specifics. Next, outline the technical requirements. Does it need to move around? Then it requires mobility. Will it interact with the environment? Sensors are essential. How about processing power and communication capabilities? The more complex the tasks, the higher the requirements. Once you have a clear understanding of what you want your robot to do, it's time to start building. Now comes the exciting part: selecting the hardware components and designing the mechanical structure. Your choice of hardware components will be determined by your robot's intended functions. You might consider a microcontroller or a single-board computer like Arduino or Raspberry Pi for processing. Actuators such as motors and servos will provide movement, while sensors like ultrasonic, infrared, or cameras will give your robot the ability to perceive its environment. Don't forget to consider your power supply options like batteries or power adapters. For the mechanical structure, you'll need to design or choose a suitable chassis that can house all these components. Size, weight, mobility, and durability are crucial factors to consider here. As you integrate the components into the structure, ensure they are properly aligned and functional. With the right components and a well-designed structure, you're ready to move on to the next stage. Next, it's time to implement electronics and wiring. Picture a complex puzzle where each piece is a hardware component. You're connecting and wiring these pieces according to design specifications. It's essential to ensure proper power distribution, signal routing, and grounding to avoid electrical issues. Think of it as giving your robot a robust nervous system, letting it communicate with itself. Then comes the testing phase, each component individually, troubleshooting any connectivity or functionality problems. After testing each component, you're ready to bring your robot to life. The next step is to develop the software and integrate AI capabilities. The choice of programming language is crucial here, and it should be one that aligns with your robot's hardware and tasks. With a suitable language in hand, you'll write code to control your robot's movements, interact with its sensors, and process data. But of course, our robot needs a brain, right? So you'll also implement algorithms for decision-making, navigation, and object recognition, among other AI capabilities. These algorithms will help your robot perceive its environment and make informed decisions based on its observations. And let's not forget about the power of machine learning and natural language processing. You can integrate libraries or frameworks for these tasks as needed. They'll enable your robot to learn from its experiences, recognize patterns, and even understand human language. With the software and AI capabilities in place, it's time to test your robot. Now you're ready to test, debug, and improve your robot. Start by examining its functionality in a controlled environment, gradually increasing the complexity. This helps you identify and debug any issues, be it software or hardware related. As you move forward, conduct real-world testing to evaluate performance and reliability under different scenarios. Based on these tests and feedback, you can fine-tune and enhance your robot's capabilities. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating an AI robot.
Audio Jungle.